Everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a JBL Partybox Ultimate Wireless Bluetooth Party Speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not responding, or it's not pairing with your Bluetooth, or it's not syncing to your app or to the Wi-Fi, or any kind of issues where it's not working right can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is just any situation where you want to wipe all the connections off of this, wipe all the settings off, so that you can go ahead and basically set this speaker up like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can do this really very simply. Because we're setting it up new, we're going to want to go on any phones or anything we've had it connected to in the past and have it forget this device so that we can then set it up like new. So once we've done that, then we can just come in and press and hold the play and the heart button together for at least 10 seconds. So after about 10 seconds or so, this speaker will automatically reset to its factory default settings, at which point we can go ahead and set this up basically like it's a brand new speaker. So let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could please leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.